Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply for a job in Upwork. So in here, I've already opened the upwork.com and I've already signed into my account. So if you want to apply for a job here, you can just explore in here and just go to the find work options, or you can also see the best matches provided by the Upwork team for you. You can just choose which one that you want to apply. For example, here I'm going to apply for this ones right here. You can click on the job that you want to apply and make sure that you read the explanation first, the requirements and everything, and also the what you need to do on the job. Here you can see the fee and also the level of expertise in here. So after that, here you can just click on apply now if you are interested in the job. Now you just need to submit a proposal. So this proposal requires 15 connects, so I have 70 currently. So when I applied or submit the proposal, I have this remaining connects. So here you can just scroll down and see the terms. Here Upwork will ask you how do you want to be paid. You can choose between by milestone or by projects. Here if you choose to go with by project, here you can just adjust the bid, but I'm not going to change it. Okay, so you'll be reduced by 10% freelancer service fee, and this is the amount that I will receive at the end. And in here you need to select the time. How long will this project take? For example, I'm going to go with less than 1 month, and here you can write the cover letter, or you can also drag or upload project files like your portfolio in here. You can, so that the employer will interested to hire you. And after you fill in this cover letter and also the file in here, portfolio and or everything, and after that, here you can just click on submit proposal like this. Okay, so I need to fill this in before I can apply. So you can just click on submit proposal, and after that your application will be submitted, and you can just hear from the employer if you are accepted. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the